Have you ever wondered why your body stores fat, even when you're diligently eating clean and doing everything right? It's a perplexing situation many face, despite their best efforts with diet and exercise. Today, we're going to uncover the surprising truth behind this stubborn fat storage. Here's what's truly happening within your body, often without you even realizing it. Every time you experience stress, whether from demanding work, insufficient sleep, or even undereating, or perhaps from overtraining, emotional pressures, or constant dieting cycles, your brain instinctively activates a primal survival program. This powerful program is primarily driven by a cascade of stress hormones. The most significant player among these is cortisol, often called the stress hormone. Initially, cortisol serves a vital purpose. It raises your blood sugar levels. It mobilizes energy reserves, preparing your body to respond to immediate danger. This is crucial for short-term survival, helping you react quickly in emergencies. However, the problem arises when cortisol remains chronically elevated in your system. When this happens, your body shifts into a persistent survival mode state. In this survival mode, your body's priorities dramatically change. Fat loss is no longer a primary concern. Instead, the focus shifts entirely to protection. Long-term elevation of cortisol leads to several detrimental effects. It continuously increases blood sugar, contributing significantly to insulin resistance over time. Cortisol also begins to break down precious muscle tissue, converting it into energy. Furthermore, it actively suppresses optimal thyroid function, slowing your metabolism. Crucially, it strongly promotes visceral fat storage, particularly around the abdominal area. This belly fat accumulation is no coincidence. Cortisol receptors are highly active in this region. But cortisol doesn't operate in isolation. It has powerful allies. Adrenaline, for instance, spikes during acute stress, causing your heart rate to soar. It rapidly mobilizes fuel, giving you that fight-or-flight burst of energy. Noradrenaline helps regulate alertness and energy output, keeping you focused. Yet, when chronically elevated, noradrenaline can lead to nervous system overactivation. Then there's glucagon, which raises blood sugar during periods of fasting or calorie restriction. Glucagon works in concert with cortisol, intensifying the body's metabolic stress response. These hormones are undeniably essential for our survival as a species. However, in our modern lives, they are activated far too constantly. This constant activation stems from factors like poor sleep quality and excessive cardio. It's also triggered by chronic fasting without adequate recovery periods. Severe calorie restriction, caffeine overload, and pervasive psychological stress all contribute. When fat loss stalls, the common response is often to eat even less and train even more. Ironically, this approach only amplifies the stress signaling within your body. This, in turn, reinforces the very fat storage mechanisms you're trying to combat. The true solution isn't about trying to eliminate these vital stress hormones entirely. Instead, it's about restoring their natural rhythm and signaling safety to your body. An animal-based, nutrient-dense diet can profoundly support hormonal balance. Adequate protein intake ensures crucial blood sugar stability and preserves muscle mass. Dietary fat, often misunderstood, acts as a vital signal of energy sufficiency to your body. Cholesterol and fat-soluble vitamins are indispensable for robust hormone production. Combine this nutritional foundation with strategic strength training. Prioritize strength training over excessive, long-duration endurance cardio. Incorporate daily walking into your routine for gentle movement and stress reduction. Emphasize proper, restorative sleep and align with your natural circadian rhythms. Crucially, ensure you maintain a sufficient caloric intake to avoid signaling scarcity. By implementing these comprehensive changes, your nervous system can finally shift. It moves out of that persistent, draining, chronic survival mode. When your body feels safe and nourished, something remarkable happens. Fat loss then becomes a natural byproduct of hormonal safety and balance. It's no longer a struggle or a form of punishment against your body. This perspective reframes fat storage as a protective biological response. It's not a personal failure on your part, but a physiological adaptation. It emphasizes the profound importance of working with your physiology. Instead of fighting against your body's innate wisdom, you collaborate with it. Today, we focused primarily on cortisol, briefly introducing adrenaline, noradrenaline, and glucagon. In future discussions, we'll dive deeper into these additional stress hormones and their metabolic roles. If you found this video insightful, please follow for more true health and wellness insights.